Hey there, did you know that over 90% of developers out there use Git? That's right. It's like the secret sauce of coding, and if you're not using it, you're missing out big time. So, in this video, we're diving into how to install Git on your computer, whether you're rocking Windows, macOS, or Linux. Git is super important for version control, and trust me, once you get it set up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's talk about some common headaches folks face when installing Git. First off, you might not even know where to start. Each operating system has its own quirks, and it can feel overwhelming. For Windows users, there's the confusion of choosing between different installers. On macOS, you might be tempted to use Homebrew, but what if you don't have it installed yet? And for Linux users, well, it's a bit of a maze with different package managers and commands for various distros. All these hurdles can lead to frustration and wasted time, right? But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it all. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of installing Git. First up, if you're on Windows, head over to the Git official website and download the installer. Once it's downloaded, just double-click that file. The setup will take you through a series of prompts. A little tip here, make sure to select Use Git from the Windows command prompt during the installation. This way, you can use Git in your command line just like a pro. Now, for macOS users, if you haven't got Homebrew installed yet, you can either install it first or grab the Git installer directly from the Git website. If you choose the Homebrew route, just open your terminal and type brew install Git. Voila! Git will be installed in no time. And for Linux fans, it really depends on your distribution. For Ubuntu, just open your terminal and type sudo apt-get install git. If you're using Fedora, you'll want to use sudo dnf install git. See? Easy peasy. Once you've got Git installed, you can check if it's working by typing Git version in your command line. If you see a version number, you're golden. Now here's a little gem for you that will make your life a whole lot easier after installation. When you first set up Git, you should configure your username and email. Trust me, it's super important. Just run these commands in your terminal: bash git config global user.name your name, git config global user.email your .email at example.com. This way, every commit you make will have your info attached to it. It's like putting your signature on your work. Plus, it helps you collaborate with others on projects without any confusion. So, to sum it all up, installing Git is a breeze once you know the steps. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, just follow the instructions, and you'll be ready to roll in no time. Git is a fantastic tool for version control, making it easier to manage your code and collaborate with others. You'll definitely appreciate having it in your toolkit. Alright folks, I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions or want to share your own experiences with installing Git, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on programming tools. Until next time, happy coding!